people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Now, do you experience all of those brown things going on your teeth? Do you have dental plaque or tartar? Are you having bad breath, or are you having this, you just do not love the way your teeth is looking? So I have a natural remedy for you, and this natural remedy is actually going to help you to whiten up your teeth, to make your teeth sparkle, and it's going to give you a fresh breath. So if you want to know what all of the ingredients is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. And let's dive into the video. So to get a whiter teeth, you're going to be needing onion. Okay, now this is actually very helpful for the skin, and also in the body it is perfect to use onion a whole lot. So using onion with other natural ingredients that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be very helpful. Okay, so this is how we're going to be achieving that. Okay, so we're actually going to be preparing this onion. So we're going to be removing the peel of the onion. And then we're going to be grating it. Okay, so you actually can blend yours. Okay, but for me, I just love to grate, so I'm gonna be grating mine. So it is actually perfect to use red onion, because red onion is actually more effective. So we're going to be getting the juice out of this onion. So you're gonna be getting more juice out of this onion when you blend your onion, and this juice is perfect. Okay guys, so we're also going to be needing baking soda. Now baking soda is a great remedy that whitens up the skin. It contains an ingredient that helps to maintain the teeth, and it whitens up the teeth also. Okay, so when you're using baking soda for the teeth, it has to be once, because it is abrasive and you do not need to use it every day. Okay, so just once in a week, it's perfect. So what we're going to do now, we're going to be putting in baking soda, about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It's perfect. So when you put in your baking soda in onion, what it's going to do is that it's going to change the color to hash color. I think this is hash color. It's going to change it to a hash color, but do not mind, it is actually very good. Yeah, so you're also going to be needing to use Colgate. Okay, so you actually do not necessarily need to use Colgate toothpaste, but you have to use a white toothpaste that will do the job. Okay, so you're going to press in a good amount of your toothpaste. So I have this one which I pressed by mistake, and I'm going to be pressing more in it. So you're just going to mix it very well. Let it be properly mixed. Okay, so this is perfect, and we need one more ingredient to make this ingredient really beneficial for the teeth and whitens of the teeth. So we're gonna be needing coconut oil. Now coconut oil is an oil pulling for the skin, for the teeth. Okay, it will help to maintain the tooth enamel, and it also helps to remove germs, and it also removes bacteria. It kills plaque, and it works in removing tartar and decay. Okay, it maintains the mouth odor. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is that we're going to press in a good amount of the coconut oil, and then we're just going to be mixing this all up. So let's go to the washroom and use a brush to brush our teeth with this paste. So this paste is basically what you need to get a whiter teeth and remove plaque, tartar and decay. Hey, look at that. Okay, this paste is 100% good for your teeth. Huh? Look at my teeth. Look at that. Alright, so let me brush. I use this at least once in a month. Yeah, sometimes 2 times in a month. Okay, just to maintain my teeth, the whiteness and all of that. Oh my god, I'm loving my skin. Okay, so you put it in and then you brush your teeth with it. Okay guys, so you brush your teeth with this and then you spit it out. Okay, you don't swallow. Yeah, obviously you don't swallow paste, right? So you also do not swallow this. Okay, not that it is actually bad, but of course you don't swallow, you just spit it out. And then you brush your tongue. Look at my tongue. So you brush your tongue because you need an healthy tongue for your mouth to smell good, and also for you know, for you to have an healthy dental, you need an healthy tongue. Okay, so you scrub it in a circular motion with this. Okay guys, so look at how my teeth is, right? And my tongue compared to before. Okay, so you brush this at least once in a week, and it's actually going to help to whiten your teeth, remove plaque and all of that. To scrub your lip. Okay, I forgot to do that. Use it to scrub your lip. That is actually going to help to exfoliate your lip, make your lip look really healthy and soft. So I'm going to go wash it off and poof. Look at my lip. And my teeth white. Alright guys, so that's it. Just brush like I showed you, and brush every part of your mouth, and brush your tongue, because a dirty tongue is a dirty mouth. So that's it guys, it is as simple as that. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay flawlessly beautiful and bye guys.